What's happening YouTube boy Tech TRX back in another video. Today we're going to ask you a question here. If you are looking for a robot vacuum that won't break the bank, this one we're going to test out today and see what it could do. Here we go. This one today we are looking at the Dreametech Robot Vacuum D9 North America version. Now there's a lot of models on here, so we're just gonna put this in the link down in the description below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well, and hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you what it could do. Here we go. There we go. Right off the bat, up here comes with the instruction manual up there. Just put that on the side for now. And then here we got the robot vacuum there. Very nice. There you go. See what else we get in the box here. The charging dock right here. Right there. Power cord. For the box, put that on the side. Here it comes with a little spinner there, very nice. And also it comes with a mopping case right there. Just out of the plastic now. There you go. I like the design of this, all white design, right? For those of you who wants to see your vacuum faster, this is probably the better one for you. On top of here, if you open this up, you'll be able to see the little casing where all your dirt will go. There you go. Very nice right there. Aside here as well, it comes with a little brush so that you can clean off dust on your vacuum. I like how it's all in one and you could see that right there. Very nice. On top of here as well, it has a power button, the home button, and also the tracking button there. Very nice. On the front here, it has a LiDAR sensor, which is really cool as well. On the bottom here, it's really easy to clean. Basically, if you just pull this out like so, this will come off and this whole thing will be able to come off, and then you'll be able to clean the brush, no problem at all. And then just to put it back, you just need to do that and then clip this up there and click it down and you're good to go. There you go. On the front, it has a wheel right here. It has two wheels as well so that it'll go up on bigger steps there, so that's pretty cool. So if there's a mat or something like that, you'll be able to go over that. Very nice. On top of here, it comes with this little area here where it'll sweep all the dirt in so that you'll be able to suck it right there. And then the bottom here, as you can see, has a little mop, and it basically just clips in right down here. Very cool. Now to unclip that, all you need to do is click the two sides. There you go. And then you'll be able to refill the water by opening this part right here. Then you'll be able to clean the mop as well by tearing this off back here and then sliding it off to the side like so. Then you can put this in your washer and you'll be good to go. To put it back, all you need to do is squish it like that and then put the Velcro back to its place and you're done. That's it. Putting it back as well, you can put it while it is down on the floor like so, and then it'll just click like that. Pretty easy. Now let's go ahead and test this out. Here we go. Now really easy to set up here. All you need to do is plug this into the wall. There you go. Plug this in right there. There you go. This will then go to the wall like so. Boom. Put this over here. Get the wires off the way there. And you're just gonna put a Dreame D9 right in there. It'll have some buttons there, and then you're just gonna go to your phone. There you go. So here we're just gonna download the Mi Home app. There you go. Once you've downloaded that, make sure to register and make an account there. We already got this because we got the old Dreame Bot L10 Pro there. If you want to see the video on that, I'll link that down below as well. And let's add a new device here. And here we're just gonna look for it. We're gonna go for robot vacuum right there. There we go. We are in a selection here on the robot vacuum. We're gonna go with the D9 right there. Now it says that we're gonna simultaneously press and hold the spot and dock buttons for 3 seconds until hear the voice saying waiting for network configuration. Let's go ahead and do that. So it's the 2 buttons right here.
Waiting for the network setup.
There we go. Once you got that prompt, let's go ahead and hit next. There you go. And then we're gonna put it on our Wi-Fi there. Hit next. Make sure you are using a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi or else it won't work. Now let's go back to our home there. And let's look for the Dreame vacuum right there. There you go. We are now connecting to it.
The robot and the phone are connected.
There you go. Let's go back to the app.
Xiaomi Home app and wait for the network connection to complete. Network connected successfully.
There you go. Let's go ahead and hit done, and we can select whatever room it has here. We'll just add it to the favorites there, and we're just gonna go with balcony, or maybe just the master bedroom there. There you go, and hit next. There you go. Hit next again, and let's get started. Now before starting, as you could see here, you get a prompt to organize the home first. Don't have little stuff laying around so that the vacuum won't get stuck. Now the initial scanning is really cool. As you could see here, it's scanning all the rooms, the walls, and the islands. Everything you will see here, the vacuum will see it because of the LiDAR sensors. Now when the vacuum is doing its job, it'll have lines like this where you could see the specific areas that it actually went. The vacuum also has a 3000 psi power for suction. Most robot vacuums only has 1.5 or 1500 to 2000, so that's pretty cool as well. Now this vacuum is not that smart compared to our L10 Pro, but it does have no-go zones, so it does help a lot. So for sure you have to set up the no-go zones so that you can help the vacuum a little bit on where not to go in your house. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new vacuum, I definitely would recommend this for people who wants to look for a very powerful vacuum and also has a mopping system on it. This is the one for you. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well, hit the like button. We can beat that YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.